Welcome to tonight's show.
Oh, we're supposed to be starting? Okay.
Anyway, I'm Eric Urena.
Almira D.
Kaitlin H.
I'm Ari.
Your last name.
What about my last name?
You're supposed to say it.
Oh, okay. I'm Ari Barrientos.
And today we're talking about the Industrial Revolution.
The Industrial Revolution was the time of just that, industry and manufacturing, an era that paved the way for the start of a brand new future.
The IR was known to have taken place throughout the late 18th century and mid-19th century.
There is, however, much controversy between historians revolving around the true period of this revolution due to no exact start or end dates. But, who cares, right?
Some different viewpoints include there was no revolutions arguing that it was a paced and gradual transformation.
The revolution began in the 1760s and ended in the 1840s.
The last being that there was in fact two revolutions that lasted from the 1840s to 1870s or 1880s.
So that really is in how you perceive the Industrial Revolution. Or in other words, asks what?
Mass industrial.
Mass industrial development. Yeah, that's the word.
Getting back to the real
Getting back to the real point, though.
Wow, you're messing up.
The Industrial Revolution first began in Great Britain, then was illegally brought to the U.S. by Samuel Slater. He memorized designs for cotton spinning machines and created them in the U.S.
It's your turn again.
He is known as either the father of the American Industrial Revolution. Not like my father. My father's awesome though. But, American Revolution's good.
Back to the point.
Or Slater the traitor.
The main impact left in industry was through iron production, textiles,
Machine
and
tools?
oh, thank you. Sorry, and steam power.
While this is helpful, some love
How?
Employment?
Right?
and living conditions for the
Pep yourself up.
poor and the working classes.
Or, yeah.
Before the Industrial Revolution, most people resided in rural communities where the main focus of the economy revolved around agriculture.
While that was okay for some, life for everyone else was full of malnutrition, diseases, and extremely low income.
Most manufacturing was done in homes, small shops, or casual communities.
Rural.
Rural? Oh, rural communities. This was done with hand tools or simple machinery. But now we have all of texting and smartphones and stuff. So you also live in that time.
Getting back to the point, people produced what was their foods. Food, clothing, furniture, and tools. If you didn't work, then you pretty much didn't get anything.
Once technology moved into next door, there were some who opposed the movement called
Fluidity?
Lieutenants.
I think so, yeah.
They spent their time attacking factories and destroying machines. Why would they do that? Don't they know they can break a nail?
Trade unions. That's all. Stick to the point. There were many reasons why Britain was the birthplace of the IR, including the great demands of coal and iron.
Britain was also a politically stable society, and this world's least colonial power.
Leading
colonial power.
Can't get any
The demand for British goods merchants needed more cost-effective means of production.
Smart.
In year 3.
1864, Englishman James Harvard invented the spinning jenny. This enabled someone to produce multiple spools, oh my god, of thread at one time.
By 1778, there were
Over 20,000
over
spinning
20,000
jennies.
spinning
Facts.
jennies
It's just the facts.
across Britain.
Both iron and steel were essential materials used to make everything from appliances to ships.
Haha, ships. I have a lot of ships.
We're not talking
You
about
mean
that.
yachts? There's a difference!
In 1719, Thomas Newcomen created the first steam engine. By the 1770s, James Watt had improved the steam engine.
Before the Industrial Revolution, raw and finished goods were transported one-horse drawn wagons and boats along the rivers.
The first commercial steamboat was created by American Robert Fulton in the early 1800s.
Half a century later, steamboats carrying goods traveled across the Atlantic. Cool. Now we have planes. So.
Oh
In
my
the
god.
early 1800s, British engineer Richard
Trevithick.
I think it's telepathic.
It's
It's
true.
Trevithick! Okay, it's Trevithic.
constructed the
Sorry.
first rail. Oh my god, I'm talking. Constructed the first railway steam locomotive. I was saying it.
I'm sorry! Okay, just stop it. In 1830, England's Liverpool and Manchester's railway became the first to offer regular, timetabled passenger services.
By 1850, Britain had more than 6,000 miles of railroad track. Whatever.
Can you be more enthusiastic?
I'm tired. It's boring.
It's not that boring, okay? It's how you get your iPhone today.
We're paying me to do this.
Around 1820, Scottish engineer John McAdam developed a new process for road construction.
In 1837,
1837.
William
Cook. Stop it. Okay.
Stop it, you two!
created the first commercial electric telegraph.
Okay. By 1866, the telegraph was laid across the Atlantic.
The Industrial Revolution saw the rise of banks and independently owned factories. What kind of factories, though? Seriously.
We're ignoring you now. Adam Smith promoted an economic system based on free enterprises, private ownership, and lack of government interference.
Wages in factories were low and had poor working conditions. There were many workers that were easily replaced. Children also were 1/5 of the textile industry.
Aren't you tired?
Oh, shut up.
Okay. At the end of the 19th century, the government instituted labor reforms and workers. Can you please just stop it?
Workers
Just-
gained the right to form trade unions.
Okay. Okay, just because you're popular with the kids
By the
doesn't
early
mean-
20th century!
Okay, we're done. Okay, last sentence. By the early 20th century, the U.S. was world's leading industrial power.
Someone's jealous. Why would he be jealous?
Why would I be jealous of someone so dumb like you?
I'm not. Stop.
Okay.
Come back!
Well,
You better get it right this time.
It's not my fault you people can't read.
Okay. You better stop. Okay. Let's just get down.
Just sit.
Okay, just down.
God.
God, I hate how everyone thinks I'm so dumb. I'm not. Well, you
Maybe because you are. Okay. Anyway, back to the show.
And it's in my face.
No, just stop.
Welcome back. Sorry for the technical difficulties.
Bad enough I have to be in this outfit.
Okay. Let's just forget this wonderful person here.
Can we just end this already?
Okay, yes. Wrap this up now. See you tomorrow for another Daily Tonight Show.
We're joking. We're never doing this again. This was horrible.
I hate these people.
I hate you!
Hey!
Oh, shut up.
Bye!
Just go back where you were!
Bye! Can we just end this already? Oh,
You're only here because we had to get a fourth person.
I can't.
And you're only here because we needed to get someone popular from around the media, so just move. You're the only good person here.
No, she's not!
No.
Okay, well,
Okay.
now
I hate you.
we're about to stop this video. But first off, we would like to say, come back here. We'd like to say that Ari is not stupid.
I'm not. Okay, this is acting.
Well, we were trying to act. It didn't go out that well.
Yeah, try.
So, Eric, well, he can be that mean sometimes.
But he's not
Yeah,
that mean
he's
all the time.
He's a bully.
I'm just an angel.
Sure, that's right.
Almira is not that sassy. I mean, you can be sometimes, but you're not.
And she is determined for this.
Yeah, we all are.
I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Please don't label me as dumb. That was just a rule.
Yeah, and
Yeah. iPhones aren't born in trees.
don't
Hey,
push each
don't push
other.
her.
Push.
Oh, you got it.
Something stuff really happens.
Okay, well.
Wrap this up,
Come on, let's do it.
Well, bye.
Bye.